Hello guys, do you know you can actually change your video background from this to this? On today's video, I'm going to show you the simple step which you can change your video background in order to make your video look unique. So the first thing we are going to do is to go and get our image that we'll be using for our video background. So we go to Google or Google Chrome. You search for YouTube Studio background. Then you go to images. As you can see, these are some images. So you select any image you would like to use. You tap on the image, then you tap on visit. You see, as you can see, these are different images. You choose any image you want to use for your video background. So what you are going to do, let's use the first one. You scroll up, you see download. So you tap on download. You see free download. Download. Our image is downloading. So our image has been downloaded. Wow, this is our image. So after getting your image for the background, then the next thing you are going to do is to go to your editing app, which is CapCut. Tap on new project. After tapping on new project, you go to photos. Then you select the image that you have downloaded. Then you tap on add. You tap on overlay. You tap on add overlay. Then you go for videos. Then now you can select the video you want to use for your video. Do you know you can actually change your video? Then you tap on add. After adding the video, then you go and extend your image to the length of the video. You extend it to the length of the video. Then after extending it to the length of the video, then you go to cut out. Then you tap on remove background. Our background has been removed. Hello guys, do you know you can actually change your video background from this to this? On today's simple and easy. With this method, you can change your video background to any image you want. Please, if you found this video useful, please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless you. Until I see you on my next video.